Hi, hello, and welcome to Designer by Design. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create awesome title text effects. Take your presentation to the next level using these text effects. The first effect is called Horizontal Slide Reveal Effect. To start with, type your title and make the font bigger. Then align the text to the center of the screen. Duplicate the object by pressing Ctrl D and enter your subtitle and make the font little smaller than the main title. Align it below the main title. Once aligned, draw a rectangle that would cover the main title. Then move it to the left of the title. Likewise, create another rectangle and make sure it covers the subtitle and move this to the right side. Paint these two rectangles to match the background color. Now duplicate the slide. No more changes are required for the second slide. Move on to the first one and move the title behind the rectangle onto the left and the subtitle to the rectangle on the right. So they both stay hidden. And as a last step, go to slide number 2. From the transition menu, select Morph and you are done. Let's see the effect. The second text effect is called Dark Box Text Reveal. For this, create the title and align it to the center of the screen. Now create two rectangles on both sides of the title. Make sure to match the height of the title. Okay, align it with equal distance. Align them properly is to group all of them together and then align it as you wish. Once done, you can ungroup them. Now duplicate the slide. To get that effect, in the initial first slide, remove the title, then align both the rectangles to center and paint them to match the background. Finally, move on to the next slide and select the morph transition. You are done. Let's see the effect. The third effect is called Textbox Swipe In. For this, create a rectangle and add your title. Align it to the center of the screen and paint the rectangle and the font to your desired color. Now, duplicate the rectangle and place it above the title. Now, remove the text and reduce the height of the rectangle as like this. Also, reduce the width of the rectangle. Now, duplicate the small rectangle and place one below the main title. Now, select all the three rectangles. Go up to the Shape Format menu. Select Align and click Distribute Vertically. This would place all rectangles in equal distance. Next, duplicate the slide. Now, in the main design slide, move the two rectangles to the right side outside the slide. Likewise, move the main title to the left side of the whole slide. Now move on to the next slide and set the transition effect to morph. Now duplicate this last slide, and here you are going to move the main title to the right side and the small rectangles to the left outside the slide. Apply morph transition to this slide, and that completes the effect. Now let's see how it looks. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more such videos, subscribe to Designer by Design. See you in another video. Bye now.